So what have we found out so far from our work with Northampton International Academy and their contemporaries in Denmark? Well, we found out that augmented reality and virtual reality can be used to develop these change-making attributes and an understanding of the change-maker process. So the children demonstrated a range of skills and could articulate the various benefits and challenges of these. So, for example, one of the children said, "There's such a lot more to technology than just tapping games. It can motivate you to help with your health." We also saw children demonstrating intercultural awareness and exploring each other's settings and those solutions. They were able to empathise with their international friends and offer culturally sensitive prototype solutions, which took into account things like language barriers and those sorts of things. So one of the children said, talking to other countries is a good idea because it lets them see what we do in our country and what they do in their country, so we can watch how other countries compare to ours. And finally, this project is moving forward this year. So we did physical boundaries last year. This year, we're looking at personal and emotional boundaries. And we're looking at how to use AR and VR to allow children to understand and empathise with crossing personal boundaries. So maybe performance or literature or reading out loud or cooking something different. Looking at their aspirations, their confidence. And in our final year of the DLab2 project, we'll be looking at crossing environmental boundaries, so making changes to where I am in space and understanding their knowledge around that. It has made us this year a little bit more difficult, the coronavirus. And actually, we've all had to be change makers in terms of trying to solve the problem, to keep an international project going when we've not been able to travel internationally.